Engineering Post WRD Water Research Department Paper 2. Subject Mass Mechanics of Solid Strength of Material बोलते हैं. MCQs. The MCQ based on the objective type question, choose the correct answer. In which the question number 1, the value of support reaction at D. This is point A, this is point B, this is C, and this is point D. To find this support reaction at D. This is roller support and this is hinge support. So therefore roller support acting only one reaction, RD. And this is applying two reaction, horizontal and vertical. So therefore taking moment about A is equal to 0. So this is moment is represented by this is 10 kilonewton, this is 10 multiplied by these two height, 10 into 2 plus 60 into this distance 3 minus RD multiply this is 6 is equal to 0. So therefore this is 20 and 6 3 is 18, 180 and this 6 RD. So it means RD is equal to 200 divided by 6. Answer 200 divided by 6, it is cancel out 100 by 3. Answer is equal to 100 by 3 kilonewton. Correct answer 100 by 3 kilonewton. This is the value of support reaction at D. In this question also find support reaction at D. This is point D. Similarly, question 1, this is RD has a single reaction. So then taking moment about A. So this is 50 multiplied by 3. This is 50 multiplied by 3 plus 120 multiplied by 2. This is 2 and minus RD multiplied by 10. This is 6 plus 2 and this 2 10. Total distance 10 and 12 2 are 24 240 minus 10 RD. So this is 0 0 cancel, 15 plus 24 39. Answer 39 kilonewton RD. RD is equal to 39 kilonewton. Another question, this is question 2. The value of support reaction at C. Find the value of the support reaction at C. This is point C. This is applying this type and this is 60 degree, but this angle is equal to 30 degree. So therefore this is application of this angle and this is 90 degree. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. So vertically this angle is equal to 30 degree. So therefore this angle is equal to 30 degree and this is RD. So therefore the component of D are RD cos 30 and this is RD sin 30. And this is total 40 kilonewton, but it is applied at the center of the beam. So this is equal to 40 multiplied by 6 and distance this is 3 by 3. So then for taking moment about A is equal to 0. So this is 40 multiplied by 6. Total load 40 multiplied by 6, but this is at a distance 3 meter. And this is RD. This is vertical reaction RD minus RD cos 30 multiplied by 6 and then again this move this side, this is plus RD sin 30 multiplied by 4. So this is 40 multiply 6 multiply 3 and this is RD cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. So 2 3 is 3 root 3. Root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 3 root 3 RD. And this is sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 RD. So therefore 4 6 3 is 18, 4 is 72. 720 and this is equal to 2 plus 3 root 3. This is equal to 2 To the situation of this question, this is RD acting here, was applying moment about this, RD cos 30, negative sign, and again RD sin 30, this also negative sign, because this is applying this position, this is also minus sign. So therefore this is minus 2RD 3 root 3 RD is equal to 0. So therefore RD is equal to 720 upon 2 plus 3 root 3. आंसर हो जाएगा 72 upon 2 plus 3 root 3. This is the answer of this question. Another question, find the value of support reaction at A. This point A, but only one force applying 50 kilonewton this direction, so therefore support reaction only at A is equal to 50 kilonewton. Answer of this question can be find out directly by using the position of the graph. Figure, the support reaction at A and B are. So this is the given beam as shown in figure. This is distance 2 meter, and this is 1 meter, and this is 2 meter, and this is 5 kilonewton load applying here, but this is subjected to 5 kilonewton here, and the moment about 5 into 1, 5 kilonewton meter. So then reaction, this is RA and this is RB. Taking moment about A is equal to 0, this is 5 multiplied by 2, and this is 5 kilonewton minus RB multiplied by 5 is equal to 0. This is 2 1 2 5 equal to 0. So this is 5 cancel, 2 plus 1 minus RB. Therefore RB is equal to 3. So therefore RA is equal to total 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. There RA is equal to 2 and RB is equal to 3. Answer, this is C. Another question, match the following list of the beam as B type of beam. These are the type of beam: uniformly distributed load at a cantilever beam, varying load, point load. These are different type of the beams are as shown in figure, and corresponding shear force bending moment diagrams are as shown in figure. By matching this we get, this is the 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1 means this beam belongs to the fourth, and this is belongs to 3, and this belongs to, and this is 1. So these are the relationship of 4 3 2 1 be the correct. The structure as shown in figure, it is stable if. When the structure is stable, then the moment about of this side of load and moment about this side of load, both are equal. So this is W into X, total load acting at a distance x by 2, and this is 2W into Y, total load and acting y by 2. So this is W by 2 and W by 2 cancel, therefore x square is equal to 2y square. So it means x is equal to root 2y. X is equal to root y. This is the correct answer. Reaction fixed end of the cantilever beam HA, RA and MA. So this is cantilever beam as shown in figure. Here vertical reaction, this is RA, and this is horizontal reaction HA, and this is moment. So therefore this is 20 into component of this is equal to 20 sin 30 degree, and this it's a sin 45 degree, and this is its component 20 cos 45 degree. It is equal to 10 root 2, and this is equal to 10 root 2. So taking moment, summation fx is equal to and fy is equal to, so therefore RA is equal to 10 root 2 and RB is equal to 10 root 2. So this is 10 root 2, 10 root 2, this is the first answer, and this is equal to moment is equal to 0. Moment about this point is equal to 0 because of this. This is the position of load like this. This is 10 root 2 and this is 5, and this is move this side, this is minus 10 root 2 into this 5. So therefore resultant moment is equal to 0. This is the answer of this question is D. So the means moment of this force is equal to this 10 root 2. 10 root 2 multiply by this distance 5. and move this side, but direction of this force is this side, so therefore this is minus 10 root 2 multiply by 5. So therefore resultant is equal to 0. So therefore moment of this force is equal to 0. So answer is D is the correct answer. The shear force is usually associated with bending moment, torsional moment, normal thrust, and none of these. Actually we know that shear force and bending moment diagram. So therefore shear force always associated with bending moment. The given figure, shear force along the beam as shown in the beam. This is beam as shown in figure. This is long beam, and P applied this side and this P applied this side. So shear force along the beam, but this P and this P resultant of their both P is equal to 0. So therefore no shear force applied along the beam. So therefore 0 answer. Answer of this question is 0.